listen. Hello, guys. Today we're going to eat all the Jollibee food with this. Starting with the fries. Mm. It's so good. Mm. Okay, guys. This hamburger is from 100 likes. If you didn't like and subscribe, it means I don't going to eat this hamburger for later. If you liking this, make sure to like. So I have to eat this burger. Last one. Oh, you just called me. It's from 100 likes. Iced tea. We got iced tea. This is all the three foods that I'm using a spoon to scoop out the ice and eat it. Stop. But do we have 1,000 likes? Oh, we're almost there. We're almost there. Jollibee is the favorite. I don't even like McDonald's because it's so gross. There's no taste. Even the chicken has no taste. To win 1,000 likes. We hit 1,000 likes. Now I have to eat this burger. I had 1,000 likes. Mmm. Yum. Mmm. So good. Mm. I said, do you want free mango?
Are you done, Sisi?
No.
Finisan mo.
If you want free mango in Grow a Garden, just type in my username. It's Bogart002. So you can get some free mangoes.
Jason, kailangan lang kung gumawa ng dagdaraan.
Like I want to do the little dance. Burger dance, burger dance. Everybody do the burger dance.
Dali na, dali na. Ang gagawin ko, upstairs na.
Tita, nakikita ka.
Ang gagawin ko?
You know what? I'm going to do something.
Kaya tingnan natin.
Hey, you're seeing through. Can you stop ruining my recording?
Sige, my phone ha.
No! The bun. My sister's going back to MH. This is so good. I like it. I love Jollibee's finest burgers. Thanos.
Ano yun itong Jollibee nito ah?
Dito, wala eh.
Nakabukod na ito.
Dito nga yun.
Ha?
Dito lahat. Para bukas.
Ayun nga, iiwan ni Mary Jus dito.
Para bukas.
Sinabi na yun dito. Iniwan ito. Kanino ito?
Let's finish my Coke.
Kasi yung bagay.
Eh,
Ako, dito na natin. Ayun, oo nga, hindi naman dito sa labas.
What do you mean? I don't know what you guys talking about. Hey, be careful of my jacket.
Uy, bakit hindi ka pa nag-ano? Hindi ka pa maakyat? Dali ka na muna.
I'm just recording.
Ayun ako.
Bakit mo ako napapatas?
Matulog ka na, may pasok na bukas.
Sila yung cellphone ko.
Do you wanna watch more? Do you wanna add me in Roblox? Then be a member at the members